What is up, guys? So today I will be opening packs for the 93 flashback Rodgers. If I don't pull them off, to do a forfeit. So here we go. Aaron Rodgers, by the way. I don't know why I would have this back, but so basically, y'all know that he's that he broke his collarbone, and hopefully he'll be back because the Packers aren't having the greatest season without him, but hopefully it'll be okay. So the odds of pulling this card are like so low. Okay, let's see. $43. That's George Oliver, right? I can't believe he's still 85. I mean, he's good, but probably Franco here's in the game. Wow. Okay, that was an okay pack, but kind of looking for better. So let's see. Travis Kelce, Everson Griffin. That's a new card, I think. Can wait on the Colts. Adoree Jackson. Okay. I've never even heard of this dude. He could be good, I don't know. I've just never heard of him. Eric Allen, I've never heard of him either. Dan Deerdorf. Wait, am I right? Or am I not? Okay. Like, in Madden 07, it had him listed as a center, so I was like, I could be off on that. I don't know. I just remember I played an old Madden and it had him like Hall of Fame, but it was like a ton of players and they're like stories, and it was pretty cool. I think we could have it in the new Madden, but Chris Song's on the Eagles. Is that Leonard Fournette, the 85? I was like, dang, he's all the way up to 85. TJ Mosley, Electronic Gold, Michael Rodgers, Randall Cunningham, Brandon who? Oh, is that Brandon Bebre or whatever? No, I'm off his name, bro. And what's sad, I've literally been up since 4, and it's not even 7 yet, so. KJ Wright, that's a good pull. But if I could get this Rodgers, 74, who's that? Robert McLean. Wow. But that KJ Wright, that's okay pull. I wish I knew how long the video had been going for. Should I set like a time limit? I don't know. We can go for 5 minutes. Let's say if at 10 minutes. Wait, no. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to. Adams, Marcus Peters, John Ryan, Emmanuel Sanders, probably Larry Allen, Marshawn Lynch, and Ray Carson. Okay, let's see. Bro, I don't know if Paul's Rodgers definitely on the Steelers. Hunter Reed, Jimmy Collins. Uh, I know this dude's name. Leo Collins. Wait, no, he's number 71. Nah, I don't know Joe Looney. Well, maybe I do. Reggie White. I've actually never used Reggie White card. I owned it in Madden 17, but he was too expensive. Okay, the camera went out, but let's keep going. Corey Smith, Mac Brown. That's a good one. A lot of flashbacks. Okay. Marquette King has a 92. Dang, that's a good hack. Okay, let's see. Ickberry. Anthony. I could try. Cast on. I don't know. I probably know how to say it. I'm just tired, I guess. That's a cool design. Is that Danny Madden Harvest? Oh, what are you doing on Madden? I haven't been on Madden in weeks. Shane Ray. Shane Ray, like, nobody, ever says anything about him. Like, I don't know if he's just average or if he's good, but I don't know. He may be underrated. Well, mm, it doesn't look like we're gonna pull him. Brian Kerrigan, Larry Allen, Mark Barron, Willie Snead, Mark Ingram, Ted Ginn, Antonio Brown. Bro, how hard is he to pull? I mean, I know we're looking for one certain card, so it's not gonna be easy, but uh, Gordon, Alex Smith, Shaquille Griffin, Sean Kaiser, Paul Alexander, Kellen Winslow. Okay, I'm gonna move up a little bit. I'm gonna keep all that so I can hit next pack. Hopefully, I know everyone's name. Ezekiel Elliott, that's a good pull too. Like, why can't I pull Rodgers? Is he pullable? I thought every flashback was pullable. That old Giants jersey looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to get on Madden for the harvest thing. Brandon Coleman, Golden State. Oh my gosh, Eric Allen again, bro. Okay, I got one more pack.